So this is a major project for AIST, which includes features like printing the date and time, printing the temperature and humidity, and based on that print the probability of rain, and printing the heart rate of the user. So for heart rate, this is the pulse sensor. For printing the number of steps of the user, this is the accelerometer to detect movement. This is the temperature sensor to detect the temperature and humidity, and based on the temperature and humidity we are printing the probability of rain based on logistic regression. Basically we have trained a model which takes two inputs, that is temperature and humidity, and based on that it modifies its weights, and finally the weights obtained at the end are then feeded into the Arduino code as weights to print the probability of rain. And so here is the working. So it's printing the date and time and temperature and humidity, and based on that it is printing the probability of rain, and then it is printing the number of steps. So suppose if I move the accelerometer to replicate the movement when we walk, so the number of steps has increased from 3 to 4. And now showing the working for, now I'll be showing the working for heart rate. This is the Arduino code basically, which is basically printing the current date, the humidity, temperature, and heat index, and based on the humidity and temperature it is printing the probability of rainfall, and it is printing the number of steps. So now this is the heart rate that is being printed at the serial monitor, and this is the output that is being printed at the LCD. And the output at the serial plotter for heart rate monitoring is